Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. Been through the Maybe Someday box. Well, one of the Maybe Someday boxes. This is a piece I did early on. I'm telling you, it's at least 15 years old. This is just Primo Pearl clay with some red glitter. And back in the day when I did these, I wasn't even smart enough to cut them in half and use the already deglittered, let's say, side. I actually sanded this to get that off. It was crazy. But it does have gorgeous results. So anyway, this is the inspiration. I'm going to go ahead and use this and do brilliant silver. Okay, to me that's a champagne gold if I ever saw it. This is the titanium silver. So I'm going to use both of those, sprinkled in with a little bit of the Deco-Art Glamour Dust, which has got a holographic kind of, other than doing these holographic, which was way too flashy, I thought. Okay, now, this actually may be one of the simplest, easiest techniques, whatever you want to call it, if you're just starting out with polymer clay. Sorry. Okay, then you want to fold it and squeeze all the air you can out. This one's doing pretty good. Okay. Now we just want to cut it open. See what we've got. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Okay, sometimes you just gotta have a new X-Acto. A new craft knife blade. My brain's telling me one thing. And my polymer clayness is telling me something different. Alright. Alright, not exactly what I had in mind, but this is just alcohol, 91% alcohol spray. I've got some big jump rings, but I don't want it to be too far away. Alright, like I said, it'll need some sanding afterwards, but I think that's the best we're going to get. Okay, now I've sanded it a bit. Okay, I'm going to leave it with the tile behind it just so you can see it a little better. Because I don't believe it will show up as well on the black, on the gray. Water-based gloss sealer. Probably the most asked question. What kind of sealer? I actually prefer the Varathane water-based gloss sealer. But it's super expensive. Okay, this time I just did the base coat of a flood coat. Alright. So what we got here. Pair of pliers on either side. Twist. Pair of pliers on either side. Untwist. The only way I know how to describe it. Okay. I think both of these are big enough to just thread on there. Okay, I don't know how much of it you can see on camera, but when you turn it different ways, it shows different layers of the glitter and the pearl, and I love how much translucence there is in the pearl, actually. Really, really pretty. And of course you can do it in any color. But it's so cute. That one is especially. This one looks like you just picked up a stone out of the river or whatever that just happened to be heart-shaped. That's what it reminds me of. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. Please, so did the leather cords. Alright, bye for now.